Good morning, my lovely ones. How are you, loves? Happy Tuesday, November 26th, and daily message. Let's see, darlings, what do we have for you? As well, probably many of you have been already seeing the Mercury retrograde video, and some of you already got the information. However, I'm feeling good, but I will slow down, especially this week as my kids are home and a lot of things, trying to sort them out. Nothing health-wise, just a lot of things at once came, and definitely grateful. And for those of you who did purchase readings from me, no, loves, they will be sent accordingly. Might take a little longer. Some of you are already notified. Some of you are gonna get that quick after. And I thank you so much for all of you, for your patience. And know that sometimes probably I will be quicker and faster. Sometimes the slowdown is necessary. And definitely, I thank you for all your support. Let's see, loves. What do we have for you as of today? And how the energies are for the day. What do we have for you, what the energies are, and what we should know. Also, now we are in Mercury retrograde, and sometimes the retrogrades are quite beneficial to reflect on the things. Other times is to readjust to the changes, as I am doing. As many of you know, I am myself a Sagittarius, and this Mercury retrograde is in Sagittarius. That sometimes you gotta slow down so you can reboot or readjust to the challenges. Did not really expect so many challenges, which are actually in a good way. However, it's time consuming. So, sometimes certain things are great, but definitely it's time consuming. And that's my main reason I'm slowing down here, because I try just to keep up with certain things. And of course, as many of you have a family, I do as well. And yeah, sometimes we need to give energy and attention, especially to those. All right, loves. On the move. 8 of Cups. Something here you are gonna leave behind, or you are leaving already behind. And you've done the best thing you could do. Whatever here you left behind or you are leaving behind is to your own good. And the Empress is a very positive energy. Some of you, let me say this, you left a situation, no matter what nature has that situation, work, family, friendship, loveship, you are moving in the right direction. You are moving to the best direction you had. As you know, major arcanas are the energy set in stone. 8 of Cups is the energy that depends on you. It's up to you to leave this behind, not to anyone. But once you leave, the universe bless. Temperance. Look at this. What could be more beautiful than this? So sometimes we need to let go something so we can have the right thing. And you do. Look at here. Temperance. Sometimes we need to leave the wrong person for the right person. For some of you, you are moving from a relationship that you struggle, and you are going towards your person, the right person. For others of you, whatever you leave behind, look at here, Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, it's a work situation. For others of you, it's a situation that, yes, you probably had a hard time because you invest a lot of energy, you sacrifice a lot for. But 2 of Swords definitely speaks of, I didn't want to do this, I was not ready, I was not able to, but it's definitely necessary for me to become, balanced, because the Empress and the Emperor speaks about the balance. For some of you, you left behind something that was not balanced. Wow. I also see someone here with, I live with dignity. I know probably the things should be differently, but I should do this for myself and for my own good. For some of you, you understood where you're standing up in a situation. And that's the main reason you left. For some of you, this happened or this started a couple months ago, could be 8 months ago. Let's see, loves. 9 of Pentacles. For some of you, you left a job to build your business or to build your own self. For some of you, if you left something you were not really confident, now you are gonna start feeling more confident, more like yourself. 7 of Wands. You kind of like, I stopped proving myself. Because in fact, I don't need to prove anything to anyone. Look at this, Death. The Devil, not the Death. And the High Priestess. Wow. It's kind of you're surrounded with some kind of energy that you're supposed to surround a long time ago. Ace of Swords. It's kind of deep down you knew you shouldn't, prove yourself, tell who you are, what you are. It's kind of they see me true self. Look at here, Page of Pentacles. There's definitely a new start, a fresh new start that you, with this 2 of Swords, I took the Ace of Pentacles, but put it back for some reason. This new beginning, this opportunity, you could resist to take it, or you didn't want to take it. But Spirit says, do it. Page of Wands. Do it, loves. You knew it is. Look at this, how much resistance. So now, Spirit says, do not resist it. I want to clarify this 9 of Pentacles. There's also something here that the beginning is challenging, but you know you can do it. Absolutely. It's a whole new world. It's a whole new way to see things. With the world, definitely here, you needed to end something, to let go something, to move away from something or someone, to become who you truly are. It's kind of your true self. So something here, either you moved on or let it go, or just kind of like, that's it. But look how much resistant energy here is. Okay. Let's see here. Your intuition is telling you what? To get where you're supposed to get, or you to be where you're supposed to be, you need to let go something. It's time to move along. Chariot. For some of you, you are literally moving physically, are gonna move some other place or some other way, the way you used to move before. King of Pentacles. For some of you, this is about your work. It's kind of taking ownership for your work, working on the things you're supposed to in the first place. Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands. This is a new idea, new thing to start to work it in. For some of you, you just let go a person. Okay? No matter. For others of you, you left a position at work to get another one. For others of you, you need to let go of work or a contract here of some kind, so you to become or to get the contract you need. Whatever here you leave behind, definitely you are gonna be happy too. And I have the cards of travel, movement, and you definitely are gonna move. For those of you who did not have too much movement, you know, in life for some time, well, buckle up, darlings, because you definitely are gonna have a lot of movement. For some of you, if you have a job that was just desk-based, you're not gonna have a job desk-based. You're gonna have a job very active, or something that will bring a lot of active energy, active life. And yes, will from the page to the king, that's a jump. That's a huge jump. And for some of you, certain responsibilities are gonna be higher than even your expectations here. But you know you need to. It's kind of, in your opinion, you don't see yourself as big, as strong. But Spirit says you are, and you are even more. I want to also clarify this Nine of Wands. Queen of Swords. It's kind of like, put your voice out there. Look to your future, because this Queen of Swords in this deck is kind of looking to the future, looking forward. It's kind of think for yourself. Ten of Wands. And the Wheel. And the Moon. Whatever here you live, it's a very, speaking of dark places, wrong things here. Because for some of you, it's about you leave a low vibration for a higher vibration. But look at here, 9 and 10 of Wands. Some kind of situation was kind of a hassle. Took you a lot of energy. But the universe has your back. Helps you to move forward. Again, the Wheel speaks about movement. I don't know what you plan to, but it's something that kind of it's in your mind for some time. It's kind of also speaking like a breakthrough. If I want something, I gotta do things differently. Why this Devil is here? Why the Devil is here? Knight of Swords. Four of Swords. Knight of Cups. It's kind of you realize that you need to act not based on what you hear or what you think, but how you feel. And the switch is big. Look at here, 4 of Swords, 6 of Swords. For some of you, you know, the 10 of Swords, it's something that for some of you, yes, you invest a lot of energy in something, right? And 10 of Swords speaks about no energy, no fulfillment. Also 10 of Swords sometimes speaks at like a burden, but not this kind of burden, but it's like burnout for some of you. Or whatever situation you really want to move on, or you need to switch, is the way you look at the things. And that's the main thing here of leaving whatever is behind. And some of you definitely made that decision, or you are about to make that decision. 2 of Wands also speaks about travel, movement, decision making. You see here there is a globe and a map on a car. Yep. So some of you definitely are gonna move forward. We have 2 Knights. This movement already happened. or it's already in place here. Whatever you do, guys, my loves, do it. I also feel here there is someone around you that is gonna advise you or help you with this process. Give me more about this person who might give you the insights, help you. For some of you, before we go into who is gonna help you or who is kind of advise you, I feel here that many of you felt in a place or where you used to be or what you're leaving behind underserved or under, could be misunderstood, but it's kind of like your value was not justified. Who is this person? Ace of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups. So who is this person? It's someone that seen you for a while in a certain move or in a certain something here you've done, and they want to help you to become who you truly need to become. They could be like a mentor. They could be, for some of you, this is a soulmate or a soul energy that's coming in. For others of you, this person might be in your life for a little while, but the impact of this person will be for a very long time. Look at here, Five of Pentacles. So definitely somebody here is gonna help you. We have all the Pentacle cards here, which definitely here it's whatever here is happening. For some of you, this is related to your Pentacles, to your own self. It's like you are in a complete transformation, or your life is gonna complete or change completely. Absolutely. It's a scary challenge because you kind of not really trusting it, but also it's a fresh start. Speaking about the fresh start, for some of you, definitely this fresh start will could come by surprise, but I feel here this is a complete, change in your life. Somebody's completely changing the life, and it's not a easy energy to grasp or to process. It's kind of suddenly you are in a situation that there's no way, but I should be there. It's like I have a sense of urgency to go for it or to do this, or you feel like it's no way to do the things the way I used to, or to be the person I used to, but the one I want to. So Ace of Pentacles. The advice here, for some of you, whoever is this person, they definitely seen you, who you are, what you are, and they take the things exactly how they are. However, it's a gift given to you. This person could come as a gift for you. What's the advice we have for you, loves? Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is an energy to just grab and handle and have it, because my sounds, you know, something that, oh, why not, kind of, or why should I not take this opportunity? But you're moving towards your 10 of Pentacles. You know, sometimes I don't see the Fool here, but I see someone here that it's not like you try new things, but why not me? If not me, then who? That's the energy. Judgment. As you see here in this Judgment, is kind of a transcending energy. Nine of Cups. Pretty much the same or very similar to the Nine of Cups. To take the opportunity. There is some kind of opportunity, some kind of blessing given to you, loves. That is gonna change your life forever. So here is the last Knight. Doesn't sound, definitely, all respect to the Sagittarius, I am one of them, but the Knight of Wands definitely speaks about when you just take the things as they are, even though some of you don't take this in serious, or you feel like this is not something serious, or you feel the things are not going that serious, or but Spirit says, well, look at this. For some of you, this is some kind of risk. You are gonna take it. Very well worth risk. But you are moving towards your Four of Wands, my darlings. A great energy. That Spirit says, definitely. Whatever challenge is here is gonna change you to that level you actually were looking for. This is Three of Wands here. And for some of you, it's leading you to who you truly are. So here we are, darlings. The energy of the day. I hope this speaks to you. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.